Hello, I just received this box from the US Mint. There are 3 new Liberty coins. Each of them is 1 ounce of pure gold and they commemorate 225 years of the US Mint. So let's open them. Alright, American Liberty 225th anniversary. Let's see. Very nice packaging. Oh great, it says 225th anniversary here on the rim. Beautiful, nice booklet. There's a box inside, and well, the coins got dislodged during transportation, but here it is. It's the beautiful 2017 design. Look at this. $100. Well, I'll tell you, these US Mint coins are getting better and better looking with each time. So I got 3 coins like this. I'm going to send them to NGC for grading. We'll see what grades they got, and I'll get back to you in another video.